Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's start coding. Let's put a HR. Let's start another form. That one is going to be slightly different than other forms. Let's create field set first. That is our main area and a title for the form. Legend. Let's say registration form. And let's create a label, say first name, and input text and name, first name. That is the first area. Let's save it, have a look at it. That is our form. Let's create another input for last name, label, last name, and input text and name, last name. Let's save it. You see the changes on our browser. Label, email, and input. This time type must be changed because we are using email and I added email and name also email. Let's create another one. Birthday, and let's put another different input. That one must date, so we should use date type and name, birthday. Let's save it. You see guys the difference. It is giving a date for us. Let's put another one. Password, and input type must be password and name, password. Let's save it. You see also password area. Let's put a send button, input, submit, value, register. I know form is not looking great, but we will use different methods in our future tutorials. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.